Ah! Elara! Wow! Look at the sky! The sun is so bright and warm today. The heavy snow is completely gone. And the cherry blossoms are finally blooming. Spring is officially here! I can't wait to show her. I wonder how a snow elf celebrates spring. Do they make flower crowns instead of snow castles? Can Elara even sunbathe, or will she just get super warm? Oh, we are going to have so much fun running around the town today. Elara, wake up, sleepyhead. You won't believe how beautiful it is outside. Elara, where did you go? Mom! Dad! Wake up! You won't believe it. The snow is totally gone, and the flowers are blooming outside. Have either of you seen Elara? I wanted to show her the cherry blossoms by my window.
Oh, Lily. Take a deep breath, sweetie. We just got back from the hospital. You had a terrible magic fever last night. And we were all so terrified. Please slow down.
But I feel completely fine now. But where is Elara? She isn't on the sofa. Is she playing hide and seek in the garden?
Lily, we don't know where Elara is.
This morning at the hospital, when your mother and I ran into your room, the door was wide open. Your fever was completely gone, but Elara vanished. That's why we brought you back home.
Wide open? In the hospital? But she wouldn't just leave me there. She promised she would stay with me. Did she go out to get some fresh air?
I already went outside and searched all around the neighborhood and our garden, Lily. There are no track marks or footprints anywhere on the wet grass. Now that the dangerous blizzard has stopped for good, maybe she simply decided it was time to return to her own hidden village.
No! That makes no sense. She wouldn't just disappear into thin air without saying goodbye to me, especially when she knew how sick I was. Something is terribly wrong. I know it. I have to go look for her right now.
Please, Sophia, keep this a secret. Don't tell Lily. And don't tell the town. I want Lily to smile every day. I don't want her to feel painful because of me. Goodbye, Sophia.
You told me to keep it a secret, Elara. You wanted her to smile every day. You wanted her to be happy. To look at the spring, to live a beautiful life. But what about me, Elara? Did you ever think about me? You want Lily to smile, but what about my smile? What about my life? How am I supposed to go on after what I saw last night? It's so unfair. You left me all alone in the dark. Lily doesn't know you died for her. She will never know the truth. Because I have to hide it. I have to make her hate me. How am I supposed to live with this, Elara? But I will do it. I will protect her smile, even if it completely destroys mine.
Mr. Harper, my government's patience has officially run out. The energy boxes you delivered are completely empty. The pure ice magic core inside them has vanished. You failed to secure the source, which means you have failed the contract. The boxes are not broken. The magic power is just sleeping. My workers are fixing the big machine right now. Please tell the prince. I just need 2 more days. No more time, Victor. We paid millions of dollars for a beautiful, endless ice power. We do not want empty glass boxes and excuses. You failed. You broke the contract. I can fix it! The magic elf girl is still in this town. I just need to catch her and put her back inside the machine! That is your problem, not ours. From now on, our business is over. You signed the paper. You must pay for your mistake tonight. Goodbye, Mr. Harper. No! No, not again! I lost everything again!
Sophia, please! You are the last person who saw her at the hospital. You must know where Elara is. She saved my life last night. Please tell me the truth.
Stop it, Lily. I told you, she is gone. I chased her out of this town myself.
What? You chased her away? Why, Sophia? She was our friend. She was so sweet and innocent.
Friend?
She was just a dangerous monster. Look outside, the sun is warm because she left. I don't like winter anymore. I hate the cold, and I hate her freezing magic. You are so heartless, Sophia. Elara trusted us. I thought you changed after all this time, but you are still the same. You are still a selfish girl. Think whatever you want, Lily. Your stupid friendship cannot pay for anything. Go back to your perfect little life. And never say her name to me again.
Sophia, look at me. You were at the hospital last night. Where is Elara? I need her ice magic. The machine needs that power.
Dad, please stop looking for her. Elara is gone.
She gave all her warm life energy to save Lily. She vanished into small light particles last night. She is completely dead.
Dad, forget the elf girl for a minute. The Middle East company canceled the contract. We must pay a huge fine.
Are we okay? Is our family going bankrupt again?
Do not worry, Hunter. I managed it. I moved some money from our other companies. We have enough to pay the fine tonight. V Corp will face some difficult days, but we are not in danger. Our family is still powerful. But we cannot stop. We must find another magic source. We need a new energy that is similar to Elara's ice magic. If we find another magic child, V Corp will win the market again.
There is no other source, Dad. Elara was unique. She sacrificed everything for her friend. She is gone forever.
And you can never replace her. Please, just stop.
Fine. If her magic is completely gone, we will not waste time. We will find another way to make money. V Corp never gives up. Hunter, come to my office. We need to look at the new tech plans.
Lily! The school is over. Everyone is going home now. Let's walk together.
You go first, Ben. I want to stay here for a little bit.
Why? The sun is very beautiful outside. We can go to the park and fly kites.
I cannot go now. I need to stay and do some more exercises in my notebook. My math is not finished yet.
Wow, you work so hard, Lily. You are a very good student. Okay, I will go home first. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye, Ben. See you tomorrow. Have fun. Elara, please come back. I miss you so much. What is happening to me?
Oh no! This is impossible!
That is Elara's magic.